Hello everyone! In this video we are going to solve the following exponential equation and find all values of x. Let's start. So let me first of all rearrange the following equation as follows. So here I can express 4 to the power of x as 2 to the power of 2x plus, so here 2 to the power of x plus 1 as 2 times 2 to the power of x and times 3 to the power of x minus 3 times, so I can express 9 to the power of x as 3 to the power of 2x is equal to 0. So here, since 2 to the power of x times 3 to the power of x cannot be equal to 0, then I can divide both sides by 2 to the power of x times 3 to the power of x. So therefore I will get, so let me write in the bracket, so 2 to the power of 2x divided by 2 to the power of x times 3 to the power of x plus 2 times 2 to the power of x times 3 to the power of x divided by 2 to the power of x times 3 to the power of x, so minus 3 times 3 to the power of 2x divided by 2 to the power of x times 3 to the power of x is equal to, so if I divide 0 by 2 to the power of x, 3 to the power of x, I'll get again 0. So now let's use the following property to easily simplify these fractions. So we know that a to the power of n divided by a to the power of m is always equal to a to the power of n minus m. So now, using this property, I can now simplify each fractions. So therefore, this is equivalent to, so from the first fraction we see that we have a common, the same basis, 2 and 2, so therefore I will get 2 to the power of 2x and minus x, and divided by 3 to the power of x. And plus, we see that here this is gonna be cancelled, so therefore we'll get just 2 here, and minus here the same 3 times 3 to the power of, so we have the same basis, so therefore in the exponent 2x minus x, so divided by 2 to the power of x, and which is equal to 0. And this is gonna be equivalent to, we see that 2 to the power of 2x minus x gives us 2 to the power of x divided by 3 to the power of x plus 2 and minus 3 times 3 to the power of 2x minus x gives us 3 to the power of x divided by 2 to the power of x is equal to 0. So now let me use again the following property. So we know that a to the power of n divided by b to the power of n is always equal to a over b to the power of n. So using this property, we can express the following equation as 2 over 3 to the power of x plus 2 and minus 3 times 3 over 2 to the power of x is equal to 0. So here, to easily solve the last equation, let's set that 2 over 3 to the power of x is equal to m. Then therefore, this is gonna be 3 over 2 to the power of x is equal to 1 over m. So let me show it how got I 1 over m, because we know that I can inverse the 3 over 2 to the power of x as follow, 2 over 3 and to the power of minus x, right? So therefore this is equivalent to 2 over 3 to the power of x and to the power of minus 1. And we know that here we see that 2 over 3 to the power of x is equal to m, so therefore this is gonna be m to the power of minus 1, so which is equal to 1 over m. So here I proved. So now if this is m, then this is gonna be 1 over m. So therefore I will get simple quadratic equation. So from this we'll get m plus 2 and minus 3 times 1 over m is equal to 0. So here the common denominator is where m is not equal to 0. So common denominator is m, so therefore he'll get m squared plus 2m minus 3 is equal to 0. So here m1, 2 is equal to minus 2 plus minus. So here 4 plus 12 divided by 2, and this is going to be minus 2 plus minus, from 16 I'll get 4 divided by 2. So therefore, if we take with plus, then I will get m1 is equal to 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1, and if we take with minus, m2 is equal to minus 6 divided by 2, which is equal to minus 3. And we see that this is less than 0, and which is impossible. So therefore, we have to take as an answer just m1. So therefore, I will get, we know that m is equal to 1, so 2 over 3 to the power of x is equal to 1. So to solve this, I have to know about this equation. As you remember, we know that a to the power of x is equal to a to the power of b. So since bases are the same, I'll get always x is equal to b. So using this property, I can rearrange the right hand side of the last equation as follow. 2 over 3 to the power of x is equal to 2 over 3 to the power of 0. So therefore here, bases are the same, we can equate exponents. X is equal to 0. So this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel.